Okay, so here I am in part A, profile A. I've just saved this as profile B in my working directory. I'm going to go to File and I'm going to open that part. There we can see profile A and profile B. At the moment, these are identical. I'm going to click on profile B and I'm going to open that component. Okay, so now I have profile B opened. Now my aim is to swap these two holes around, making sure that the dimensions are the same. So I can do this by going to Sketch. I click on Sketch in the model tree and then I come up to this icon here called Edit Definition. This allows you to edit anything that you have done. So I'm going to click on that and it opens up the sketch. Okay, so what I want to make sure is that this square is now 6 by 6 and 10 millimeters from the end, and this square is 10 by 10 and 12.5 millimeters from this end line. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. Now you will see that this might change the dimensions of the handle. So you will see how I will solve this problem using the dimensions tool. Okay, I'm going to go ahead in there first. I'm going to go in and I'm going to see if I can change this without adjusting. Just pay attention to the fact that the length of the handle from this line to this line is 85 millimeters. That's what must not change. And the width of this is 35. So I'm going to select, use the dimension tool, and I'm going to select the dimension for that square and change that to 6 millimeters. Now you can see that it has reduced the size, and this measurement here is still measuring to the end of the construction line. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to 6, but I'm going to create a new dimension. From here, I'm going to left click. From the end, I'm going to left click, and then I'm going to press the scroll wheel. And I'm going to change that to 85, and it will bring it back to its original position. Okay, so this is still 10 millimeters. So that's really important. Now we're going to go up and change this one. So this square needs to be 10 millimeters. If you have two dimensions, you need to change them both. This one is only going to change one because it was originally drawn out as a square. But you will either left click and you would need to change that dimension. Okay, but the distance of this one is 12.5 from this end construction line. Now to check this, the distance from this line to this line should be 62.5. As you can see it is, so I know this is correct. So I'm going to close that. So I'm confident that that has now changed. So now I've changed it to the profile B, new dimensions. I'm going to tick OK. Everything will redraw itself, and there is the new profile. Okay, I'm now going to do File Save, and that makes sure that profile B is now different from profile A. Now the final part of this tutorial is to create a DXF. That will be in my next tutorial.